ये 2019 का चुनाव तय करने वाला है कि हत्याएं कराने वाली है तृणमूल सरकार बंगाल में रहेगी या उखाड़ कर फेंक दी जाएगी।
বাজারে লেগেছে আগুন, জাগুন বাংলা জাগুন, জাগুন ভারতবর্ষ জাগুন, জাগুন মানুষ জাগুন।
In 2014, BJP was only about Modi wave and nothing else. But this time, BJP does have some sort of spontaneous response from people. I would not call it anti-incumbency per se, but this is kind of an anti-Mamta feeling which people have in their mind, and that can go in favor of BJP. But this year, in Bengal, CPM is nowhere. CPM is not only irrelevant, but CPM is almost decimated. Congress in Bengal, they are pretty much irrelevant. And since they also, failed in forging kind of an alliance, so the votes which they have, their support base, at least 8 to 10% of that vote might go to BJP. Might BJP leaders like Mukul Roy and all, they are saying that they will get 12-15% of that vote. I'm not that convinced, but maybe 7 to 8%, 8 to 10% vote might go to BJP, might benefit BJP.
They rely on getting leaders from other parties. They have done this in Odisha, they have done this in West Bengal. And Mukul Roy, who was Mamata Banerjee's right-hand man, when he moved to the BJP, he in a way has been instrumental in weaning away leaders from TMC. Of course, TMC's argument is that these are not prominent leaders. Mukul Roy again derived most of his strength from his proximity to Mamata Banerjee. So how much support he has on the ground on his own is something we'll have to test.
Her face, the way she speaks to people and all, her magic is still there. She can still gather 1 lakh, 2 lakh people. Only that violence part that her party has been unleashing systematically, that is making things a bit critical for her. Mamata has a lot of cash schemes flowing. So whatever government schemes you can see, at least 80% schemes you will find their cash schemes, where benefits are not being transferred to people but cash, either cash or some things like bags, shoes, so that way, rice, etc. So mostly they are cash schemes. Every time if you see like Kanya Shri, people get 25,000. Then she introduced another scheme, Ruposhri, that is again for girl child. Again, one family will get 25,000, and all other schemes like Yuboshri and all, Yuboshri or born. In every scheme, people are getting money, either monthly or one time or annually. This is a very big advantage for her. The 30% minority votes which we talk about, that will definitely go in her favor. That percentage will surely vote for her. So if you count that 30% and 10, 12, 15% from normal like general voters, and if she manages to get like close to 50%, 48%, she is a clear winner. Bengal is such a politically charged place. This time they have huge force deployment, and CRPF and other central forces. They are actually knocking at people's door and saying that you should come out for voting and all. You should cast your vote. And for that, TMC leaders are saying that they are hyperactive. Central forces are hyperactive. They started a dharna saying why central force should be this hyperactive and all. To send a message, some of the leaders in districts, they are holding rallies, they are addressing people and saying that how can you depend on central force? For how many days they'll be here? After election, they will all leave. So you have to be with us only. We will be there. So get that straight. Whatever you are going to do, rethink.